Hello, my name's Callum. I'm hopefully going to be a teaching assistant for you guys in September to help you learn English. So I just wanted to make a video to tell you a bit about me. So first and foremost, I love music. This is my favourite album at the moment, so I'm going to play you a song called Fantastic Man by William Onyeabor. I love music, even if it means dancing around my bedroom really badly. This is my family. I have two brothers called Ross and Hamish, and a dog called Kaz. My parents are called Debbie and Neil. This is my student house where I live with my friend Felice. This is the University of Essex where we study. There's a big park next to the uni full of trees which I like to climb. I also love making photo montages out of cut up pictures. I love running. I think it's really good exercise, and it gets your heart going and gets rid of all the worries you have. I also love swimming, cycling and surfing, but most of all hanging out with friends. Here's a few of them now.
Hi there, Callum is one of my closest friends, and I can honestly say that he is the most trustworthy, interesting guy. I love him. He makes me laugh, he makes me smile every day, and he makes me want to do things with my life and be creative constantly. So you'll love him, I promise.
Hello, Callum has been my best friend for about 8 years, and I can honestly say he's the kindest, most caring and genuine person I have ever met. His personality rubs off on everyone, which is a great thing, and he cares so much about changing the world and helping other people, which is a quality you just don't find nowadays. So he's awesome.
I really like to be with Callum because he's so open-minded and has so many ideas, and he's so welcoming, and if you suggest something he'd say yes or no or why not. Most of the times he's suggesting so many things and we could always say yes, I'd like to be, and he'd always say yeah, why not go to this place in the middle of the night, or have a cake, or have a cup of tea. Yeah, he always suggests a cup of tea, and he's just a good person to be with. That's why I like to be his friend.
That's all from me now. I can't wait to meet you all in September. Hopefully you can teach me some Spanish. See you later, guys.